Excuse me,
Yes,
I'd like to make a complaint about the service basic today.
I'm sorry to hear that. Could you please tell me what happened?
I had appointment at 10 a.m. but I wasn't sit until almost 11:30. No one informed me about the delay.
I apologize for the delay and the lack of communication. We had an emergency test earlier, but we should have let you know.
I understand and this happened, but some explanation would help. I had to cancel the appointment because of this.
Okay, let me check it. You are absolutely right. We'll make sure to improve to our communication in the future. Would you like to speak to the clinic manager?
Yes, I understand that.
Okay, I call your note. Please have a seat. See you with you shortly.
Thank you.
You are welcome.